Hey everybody, my name is Vic Hollins and I'm a licensed artist with Sizzix. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 4 newest designs. I'm so excited to talk about the inspiration behind these, as well as a couple different ways that you can use them in your own art. First up is the City Life collection, the Metropolis-inspired counterpart to my nature collection. This set includes a textural stencil of brickwork, a repeating pattern of chain link fence, and a stencil featuring park trees. It has 20 stamps altogether. The heart of this set is really the charming brownstone window and door stamps, ideal for creating playful, urban-inspired scenes. There's also a few silhouettes and smaller textural stamps that mirror the stencils. Cityscapes can feel overwhelming to capture, but using repeatable elements such as doors and window stamps simplifies the process. The repeatable patterns help build city structures quickly while maintaining a hand-drawn charm. You'll also find smaller details like lampposts and park benches to complete your scenes. The collection serves as a great starting point for building your own spirited city environment. All of the collections were designed with a mixed media process in mind. I'll typically start with a watercolor base, then layer acrylic stamps and stencils to build depth and dimension. As I create the layers, you'll see the city's energy coming to life. And I hope that this inspires you to create your own city scenes, whether it's capturing the environment of your own city or journaling your travels. Next is the Dreamscape collection. My idea behind this set is to merge art journaling with dream journaling. The 3 stencils included are also separate layers and are quite representational designs: static stars, surreal clouds, and also a dream catcher. Included in this set is a blend of styles, from surreal to tarot-inspired elements and abstract forms. This set includes 27 stamps consisting of celestial motifs, dreamy symbology, and mystical elements that bring a unique, otherworldly dimension to your work. To document dreams visually, start by pulling out key details, colors, symbols, or emotions, and let them guide your creation. Use soft, flowing shapes as a base for an ethereal quality, and stick to a predominantly cool palette with deep contrast for that mysterious, dreamy feel. Metallic accents can also mimic stars and add a little bit of shimmer to that dark contrast. Our goal with Sizzix Studio is to encourage artists at all levels to try something new. Whether you're just starting out and you'd love to try drawing and using that as an element, or you're a more experienced artist who's never really played around with combining different mediums. I find that the Dreamscape set really encourages experimentation, and that's my favorite part about it. The Western collection holds a special place in my heart as I live in Tucson, Arizona, and it has inspired my artwork profoundly. This set features a multi-layer bandana stencil, as well as a stencil with 3 different types of thorns, for quickly transforming a basic shape into a recognizable cactus. Here I'm using the 2-layer bandana stencil along with the registration press tool for precise alignment. You'll see how I masked off the surrounding areas. The other stencil in this set is simple to apply as well and gives you the option of the multiple types of thorns. It can also be used to create some beautiful abstract textures. The set contains 22 stamps, a variety of whimsical Western iconography to capture the spirit of the Southwest. You'll find Western architectural elements, cactus silhouettes, a cowboy boot, and more for adding a touch of that classic Western charm. The prickly pear stamps are buildable and let you customize the size and shape of your cacti, so each stamp placement looks unique. When using these, try acrylic as the first layer so it allows for layering watercolor washes on top without smearing or smudging the waterproof line below. Overall, this collection is quite playful and really adds a kitschy desert feeling into your illustrations. This set encourages layering, and whether you're using the stencils to build intricate patterns or the stamps to create desert motifs, you're getting effortless application with bold, high-impact results. Finally, the Artist Tools collection is perfect for anyone wanting to learn more about color theory. For the stencils, it features 3 different color wheels that allow for different complexities of colors being mixed, from basic primary setups to more advanced tonal variations. Mixing colors can be tricky, but a color wheel makes this process easier by showing how the shades directly relate to each other. Another way to learn more about color is by swatching. There are 5 large swatching stamps included in this set. These stamps can be used in a few different ways depending on how you'd like to have that line show through, either for the transparency of the swatch color or to leave room for the color name. These stamps will work with all types of mediums ranging from pastel to oil paints to watercolor. Just again, apply them with an acrylic that will dry waterproof in your art journal, and then when you put your other medium on top, you won't have to worry about any smudging or budging of that line below. Swatching helps track your color experiments and builds a useful reference for future projects. It's not just about finding the right shades, it's about documenting your journey so you can remember what works for next time. You can organize and catalog your colors you have or mix making a reference for future projects. Whether you're layering or experimenting with new palettes, it just helps to keep everything really organized. This practical set is perfect for both beginners exploring color and experienced artists refining their skills, helping you to better understand how the colors will work together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to try these collections in your own work. You can find these sets at your favorite local retailer or on Sizzix.com. Thanks again for watching and happy creating!